Good morning, you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching. So right now it is almost 9 a.m. and I decided to start the vlog here. I'm just in the car park. I'm about to go to the hairdressers. So yeah, y'all know it's been a while since I had my hair done, ain't it? I did my hair, I think the last time I relaxed my hair was when Sean was coming? That was in August, no, October, September, October. Yeah. So it's been well over 2 months since I last relaxed my hair. I want to see if I can get it like maybe curled, because I always wear it straight. I do find that curly hair fit me, you know. Y'all know I always have my hair up in one. So I'll see if I have the time. Oh, garbage. If I have the time. Sometimes I just want to get out of there. So if you notice, every time I go to the salon, oh, let's go up, Ricky. Every time I go to the salon, I always just get my hair just straightened out, you know, because it's quicker. So I just opt for that instead of styling my hair. So y'all could hear me. I'm with River. So yeah, it's a Monday morning, so it's the start of a new vlog. It's a new week. ShéKayla is back to school. Sean is at work. So this is just me again. I'm gonna get my hair done and see what else I can get done today. You know, we'll see what the day takes us, y'all. Make sure you like the video as always. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And I'm early again. Salon is closed, y'all. Shutter is still down. So let me just go to the cash machine and probably just take the money off, and I'll just wait for my hairdresser to come and open up. So yeah, I'm on the high street. That's where my hairdresser is located, on the high street. So yes, people, come along with me as I come and get my hair done and all of that. I think hopefully you guys can actually spend the whole week with me. I don't know if this is gonna be a daily vlog or a weekly vlog, which y'all know how it is. We'll see, right? Anyways, y'all just stick around, all right? So I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, folks, this is the look. I probably should have showed you guys before I left the salon, because it's like all blown out. You know, these type of curls, they don't really last, but this is it anyways. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I hope you guys can hear me, right? What I'm going to do now is, one of you guys told me that I can go to Boots and get the Fenty makeup. So I want to go in there and try the Fenty just to see how that is, because I mean, I've been using MAC for years, and obviously you guys know about the Maybelline, and the Maybelline is cool too, but I think when I want like proper, I don't know, is the Fenty full coverage? Anyways, it's good to try, you know, new things, and people do say good things about Fenty, that it's nice and blah blah blah, you know, even though I've been using MAC for years. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into Boots, get Fenty makeup. And what else I need to do? Oh yeah, I like my lashes. I stick them on. I'm learning how to do my lashes, and if you could see, they're probably not done like 100% great, but y'all, I'm learning. Because I just don't know. Do I go in through here? Oh, this is the exit only, but I'm going in anyway. Yeah, I'm like learning how to do the lashes and stuff like that. So, you know, what's the makeup? Y'all gotta like bear with me. Oh gosh, this is like, I really like the curl. Y'all like my hair though? Be honest, okay? Be honest if y'all like my hair. Y'all see my little moment there going on. All right, let's go see if we find some Fenty makeup. All right. Oh guys, River was a good boy. River, there was a lady, she was so nice in the salon, and she was like you know, like pushing him in his little stroller and stuff like that. And I think he likes the noise. He can sleep in noise. So when the hair dryer is on and all of that, he can sleep really good. He's right here. He's awake, being a good boy. Look, there he is. Hello, baby. Hi. You gonna say hello? Yeah, he's a good boy, y'all. He's just chilling. All right, let's see. What is the makeup part though? Hair care, skin care. Yeah. Are you happy? Yeah. Skincare. Oh, is this? No, this is. Oh, the makeup is somewhere over here. I might need to ask somebody about it. Maybelline Revolution. I mean, I don't think that Fenty will have their own section like this. Yay, Rivi, you good, baby? This is Revolution. Yeah, I don't know where to find it though. Oh, they got these on 7. Look at me in the mirror, y'all. Hey. Oh my gosh, where's the makeup? Let's go around the other side. What's here? Revolution. Maybe they have it on the other side. Let's go through ELF. I don't need ELF though. My mother is calling me and I'm like vlogging on my phone. So I need to answer her. And then I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? Oh, I'm gonna ask this lady right here. I think she works here. Alright, folks. Or does she not? Okay. Right, y'all. They don't have the Fenty Beauty in here. They said because this is a smaller booth, they don't have it. So it's a no-go, y'all. What I'm gonna do now though, because I think it's time for me to go and feed River as well. And I think I have like 20 minutes left on the parking. And my mother is calling me again. I stopped vlogging to answer her phone call. Now she's calling me back. So I'll probably catch you guys a bit later. And just cut this high street thing. I was gonna see what else I can get while I was here, but I don't want River to cry either, so I'm gonna go feed him and just see. I think I need to go by Matalan. I don't know, I'll see. I'll come back to y'all though. I'll come back to you guys whether it's later in the day or whenever. Yeah, I'm gonna go answer my mom now because she's calling me back again. So yeah, y'all, I'm having the last bit of rice and peas, and it's done. It's done. Y'all watch there's this channel I watch named Tananya, and her intro, she's got a pot or something. She's like boss, and she's boss. Anyways, see, y'all, how good is this? This pot is so good. Like my rice and peas was cooked to perfection. Like there's no sticky bottom. See, look at that, look at that, look at that. Tell me I can't cook rice and peas though. And my rice, so good. I thought I had cooked more though, but because usually I have enough leftovers for everybody, but on this occasion I don't. Sean took some for lunch. Man, look what I did to the chicken. Oh, Ricky, you okay, baby? Oh. Boss. He's like, well, like, look. Ain't bad, look. So good. So good. Anyways. Oh, did I show you my rice and peas though? Y'all want to see the rice and peas? Show y'all an empty pot and I show y'all the rice and peas. Like how you gonna know the rice was actually really like cooked properly. I'm gonna show you guys the rice and peas. Yeah. I heard River. What's he doing? He's just there kicking y'all as usual. Always kicking. I need a drink. Oh, do you know what? I had some more ginger beer. Do I want ginger beer? No. I don't want no ginger beer today. I'm gonna have a bit of Coke. Alright, this gotta be done now. So why didn't I use a bigger plate though? Because it looks like it's a lot of rice, but it's not. Okay? So this is my rice and peas, y'all. So as you can see, it's very, very shelly. All right, shelly. Woohoo! How nice does that look? Let's put the rest of my chicken on. So I warm up some in the microwave. So I did these two in the oven, and then I did these two in the microwave. But I know the microwave one's not gonna be as nice because it's so soft and rubbery. I shouldn't have done that, you know. I should have put all of them in the oven. Silly me. I've got some coleslaw here. Sean made the coleslaw, so I'm just gonna have the rest of that with it and some drink, and that's lunch, y'all. But I don't have no sauce. I'm gonna bake some honey barbecue chicken for dinner. I feel like I'm always in the kitchen now these last couple of vlogs, so I probably won't cook with you guys today, but maybe another day. Y'all like cooking videos? I remember back in the day when I used to be vlogging and I do like my little cooking stuff like that and focus the video on me in the kitchen. Y'all didn't like that. So I'm a day one people, if y'all still around, like y'all didn't like when I was in the kitchen because y'all didn't really put on those videos much. Anyways, I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce, this one. So good. And I will see you guys a bit later. All right. Hey people. I know I'm in the car, yeah, no longer in the house. So I'm actually parked up waiting for ShéKayla to come outside of school. So I decided, you know what, just before I left the house, I actually posted something on my Instagram and in the YouTube community as well. I intend to film a new Q&A video, that's question and answer video. So anything that you would like to know, please feel free to ask away. Okay, feel free to ask away, because I know a lot of you guys, you know, sometimes you have like specific questions. Sometimes you ask me to do a specific video. So you'd ask a question, you know, like for instance, what's it like? What's life like in the UK? Or how do you, how easy is it to get a driver's license? Can you do a video on the process of that and this? And really and truly, the demand is not there. You know, maybe there's like 2 people who want to know the process of something, but the rest of you don't want to know that, you know what I mean? So I just can't, like, sometimes I say, you know, that's a great idea, and then I expect that maybe other people will sort of like back it up in the comments as well to say yeah, do that. So this is your chance to ask me whatever it is that you want to know, and I can possibly just cover that in this video, which I think is probably a good idea. So ask away. You can comment under this video and I can answer your question. I'm gonna film that video this weekend. So as I said, you guys normally get the vlogs behind, so I will wait until this weekend to film it, and you'll get it next weekend, if that makes sense. Yeah. So whenever yeah, basically that's what it is. And also, if you're not following me on Instagram, please go and follow me, okay? SK Shelisha. Shelisha is my middle name, if you didn't know that. Right? And also I'm over on Facebook, so you can go and follow me on Facebook. LifeWithSK is the Facebook name. So you can follow me on Instagram, SK Shelisha, or you can follow me on Facebook, LifeWithSK. And for those of you guys that tend to like miss some of the videos on here and you're on Facebook a lot, I also post some of the videos on Facebook as well, and I have been doing that lately, like trying to be more consistent and building up the audience on Facebook, because I still have like, I think I have like 270 something followers on Facebook or something like that. So y'all can go over there and follow me on there, and you probably won't miss the content. If you're not on YouTube, at least you'll always see it over on Facebook, right? Yeah, that makes sense. Yes, I'm just waiting for ShéKayla, and then we're gonna head for Sean. So I'll probably just catch up with you guys maybe tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably catch up with you guys tomorrow, or if anything interesting happens later, I might pick back up the vlog. But yeah, I think that's about it for now. So yeah, don't forget, comment down below and let me know. Yeah, let me know what you want to know, basically. All right, okay. Hello, Rivi. Guys, he flipped over a while ago. Let's see if he's gonna flip again. Are you gonna flip again? Oh, go, Rivi. You can do it. Oh, yeah. You're so happy. Come on. There we go. Yeah, you're enjoying this, aren't you? Wow. Guys, we have a roller. It's so exciting. Oh my gosh. He flipped over a few days ago, you know, and we missed it. Sean and I was literally in the living room watching TV. He was right down his mat and suddenly we see him on his tummy and we're like, oh my gosh, Sean, we missed the first flip over. So I'm so glad that I was able to catch it on camera. Too bad Sean isn't here. I just sent him as well. So probably when he goes out for lunch or something, he'll see it because he's at work. Oh, he's so happy. Why I feel like you're gonna creep early? Huh? You gonna creep early? Wow, he's so determined. We gotta childproof this place pretty soon. I can see that. Yeah, there's a storm going on outside. Ice, baby. Wow, listen to that. Oh my goodness. Hey y'all. Guys, so it's actually the next day and I'm actually just getting ready to leave the house. I just curled my hair. How did I do, y'all? Y'all like it? I use the curling iron and I curl my hair myself. So it's nice and, you know, full of body and so. Anyways, y'all, I haven't even like done any makeup or anything and I'm not in the mood, frankly, you know. River's outside sleeping and I have to go and buckle him up in his car seat now, and yeah, we're hitting the road, but not to do anything fun. Yeah, we haven't really been out like that, right? Like, it's like my life is like school pickup, home. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna go and get ShéKayla from school. But guys, can I just say, let me lie down a little bit. Can I just say, right, Sean drove the car by himself a couple of days ago, and I just had to say I was gonna vlog, right? But I was just like, you know what, I'm not gonna vlog. I'm not gonna say anything negative because I was gonna vlog the way how I felt about that, because I was so extremely nervous. Like the whole time I'm like, oh my God, I was like, Sean, how sure are you that you can handle the road by yourself without me? Because he said that he could be driving, right? And I get that has been doing good, but I still like to drop him off. One of the reasons is, like I said, it's like it gives me something to look forward to. Like, I love going to pick him up because I drive there to pick him up. I drive to pick him up after I get ShéKayla, so I don't mind even if he's not finished. Like, I don't mind waiting for him. And then the other reason is that I'm just super nervous, and it's like, if I drop him, then I know at least he got there safe and he's good. Do you know what I mean? So the other day he picked up the car and I was like, oh my gosh, like, Sean, I was like, how sure are you? How sure are you that you could manage the road, you know? And he's like, what did he say? I think he said 100. I was like, Sean, really? And then last night as well, he went to the barber. He went to the barber last night and he drove again. I was like, Sean, you know, the way you're sure, you like, he's like, don't worry about me. I decided, you know what, I was gonna call him to be like, Sean, you good? And I was like, I'm not gonna call him to like distract him from the road. And I just trust that he knows what he's doing because he gave me his word and said, Shauna, I got this. So I trust him, and yeah, he's good, you know. But so yeah, he can officially hit the road. I just get a bit nervous, you know, with the lanes and stuff and the small spaces, because in Florida they have like wide roads. Here, a 1 lane in Florida equals 2 lanes in England. All right, our roads small, so I was just nervous that he couldn't do it. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna hit the road. I want to leave early. It's now 2:04. ShéKayla gets off at 3. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave early. So yeah, so guys, I'm so excited, right? River learned to roll over, right? And ever since he got the hang of it, he can't stop. So that just creates a whole nother problem for me, because he rolls, but he can't roll back yet to go back on his back. So I have to constantly like be putting him back on his back when he's tired of being on his tummy and he's the one rolling over. Do you know what I mean? He's gonna learn how to flip though, because even putting him on the changing table, he's trying to roll over there. So I was like, dang, can't even turn my back on him at all, because I don't know, he's just so determined. He's such a determined little boy, and I just love that about him as well. So if y'all ain't following him on Instagram, please make sure you go and follow him, because I would have posted that video a while back. I think I'm gonna upload it to YouTube as well as a shorts. Yeah, I'll do a shorts video of it, so you know, some of you guys can see it if you tune in. So yeah, I need to put on some perfume or some spray. This perfume is really nice. My mother-in-law gave it to me. I don't know what it's called, but it's cute. I can't pronounce it. Tresardi, something like that. Yeah, let me show y'all. Hold on. So you screw it off like this, and my lighting in my room is so bad. It's in here. You know, I like dab a little bit here, dab it. Dab some right here. Rub some up on my ears. So when Sean come and give me a little kiss later, he'd be like, "Ooh, babe, you smell nice." Yeah, it smells so good, y'all. So good. It's so good. I like the bottle. It's posh, posh, pistache. So it's not a normal spray bottle. It doesn't spray. So, you know, posh things. He fell asleep watching his nursery rhymes. Look at our big baby, y'all. He getting big, you know. He's growing up. Oh, I hate to wake him up, but we gotta go. Here we go. Let's go. Hi. Hi. Hello. I'm sorry that I disturbed you. Oh. Baby. Oh, it's so windy out here. Golly. Gosh, it's always so windy nowadays. Huh? It's like storm type of weather. What time is it? Yeah, it is now 2:26. Look, I said I wanted to leave a bit earlier because it looks like it's gonna rain, and I don't want ShéKayla outside waiting for me in the rain either. So it's a good thing I decided to leave early. Yeah, so anyways, I'll probably just catch you guys a bit later. Oh, my hair blow out. Look, my curls always blowing out. River's like, I want to play the game too, right? Tell him, give it to you. Say, give it to me, Daddy. He's like, Daddy, can I have it, please? Yeah. Hey, Daddy, can I have the phone? I need to play too. Go on, Rivi. Play the game. No, you have it. It's all yours. What you gonna do? Oh, watch him. Take it. What's up, y'all? So, I'm here in Matalan. Big sale going on because it's Black Friday sale, I suppose. And here got some cute little outfits. Actually, let me not, ShéKayla, let's stick to the plan. We actually came to get a couple of stuff for Kayla. Oh, Kayla, them got jackets. Oh my gosh, it is a good day for shopping. Come this way. ShéKayla is still in her uniform because we actually come here after school just to see what we can find, because they got a lot of sale going on. Okay. Hopefully these sales still going on tomorrow. What you want, a sweater? What you want?
I don't want that.
No, I'm asking if it's a sweater. What are you looking for?
I don't know.
Ideally. What's on the sales racks? I think we need to go on the other side. Not this side. Not this side is kids. Unless you're still like under 12, you know. Oi. You got your PE clothes? You had PE today?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I'm pulling my stuff.
Oh, okay. Yeah, Matalan full of sale. Oh my gosh. Why? Shopping with ShéKayla, right, is so hard. You understand? Because she don't like anything. Kayla? What about orange? Look. Where's she at? See, she like this sweatshirt. I don't know. Where you at? Let me just find her size and just bring it to her. Look. Huh? No, you. You go with your jeans. No? Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just something quick, no? Huh? There's nothing over there. The kids over there. Really? I just started to vlog. Look. Say hello, Rivi. Say hi, guys. Say hello. I literally, you see, 20 seconds. I just turned this on. They were out in the car, y'all. Was he crying? Oh, okay. Guys, I'm gonna come back to y'all. I'm gonna just focus on finding something for her. You always dropping it. You don't see it always on the top. I'll come back to y'all. Let's see if I can help ShéKayla find something, because she's such a whiner. She never like anything. I just cannot. Alright, y'all, let's go. Boy, I don't know where ShéKayla gone, but I'm just gonna come by the baby section and see. They don't have no sale on the baby stuff. Why they not selling out on the baby stuff though? Oh, I need to get him some. I want to get some more of these for him, you know. But I bet you they won't have his size. Oh, 3 to 6 months. Yeah, I'm gonna get him some of these. Yeah, I'm gonna get him some of these white. I love to see River in white. I love to see him in white. Honestly, I'll get 3 to 6 months. Even though, you know what, the 6 to 9 months fit him well as well. But they don't even have 6 to 9, do they? It should be alright still. If it doesn't fit, then I can return it, right? Yeah. Oh, newborn. Okay. I'll just get him some white. You can sleep in these bodysuits. What else they have here? Let's see if I can find him a nice little cute little outfit. Let's see. Oh, this is cute, huh? Look at this. I like this. How much is it though? Because Matalan is so expensive sometimes. It's gonna look well tight up. About 12 pounds for it. Should I get this? I wonder where Sean at. I don't know where Sean is actually. This is so cute. Y'all like this though? He would look so cute in this though. What? I'm gonna ask Sean what he thinks. So I'm probably gonna be like, nope. But you know what I need for River though? I need a sleep suit. So that's what I need to probably focus on. And they have sleep suits. Are these them? Oh yes, nice. And these feel nice too. Oh yeah. How much for them though? 13 pounds. This feels nice. Oh, where is Sean? The material feels really nice. Hold on. I don't have my tripod, so let me just rest this here. This feels very nice though. They have blue and white. They have blue and white, and they have white. The blue and white might be nice. Let's get the blue and white. I need to see how big it is before I buy it. Guys, I need to go to the laundry because I was so busy today. I fully deep cleaned today because we actually plan on going out tomorrow. We're gonna take a trip tomorrow. Y'all need to stay tuned for that vlog. So after I leave from here, I actually need to go to the laundry to dry the clothes, because we had so much clothes to wash, and I decided, you know what, I'm gonna just deep clean the house today, which is what I did. I deep cleaned today, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go laundry. So I load up the car and everything with all the clothes, and you know, pick up ShéKayla and Sean, and we came straight here after I got ShéKayla from school, just to see what she can find here, because she needs some tops and stuff, you know, for the fall. Is this enough? Yeah, this is quite good. I was just trying to open it to see how it is, and they're selling this for 13 pounds, so I'm definitely getting this. And I'm getting these suits here. I'm a bit iffy on the outfit. I'm gonna see if his dad wants to pay for it. Why, guys? Yeah. I know where ShéKayla is though. Here's ShéKayla. You didn't find nothing? I'm not going to Primark, ShéKayla. I cannot go to Primark. So don't get this outfit, Sean?
Yeah, about the 3 to 6 when we wear it.
Huh?
About the 3 to 6 when we wear it.
Don't get it. Okay. Yeah, ShéKayla managed to find one item. She said she don't like Matalan. She don't like shopping in here. And I think Matalan have cool stuff. I used to shop in here for her all the time when she was a kid, when she was younger. But for some reason she said she doesn't like in here. And so we're leaving, but I'm just gonna go and pay for. I didn't get the outfit for him again, y'all. Sean was like, yeah, no, just leave it. and I was getting 3 to 6 months, and he has clothes that he hasn't worn yet. So he's like, where are you buying him? And he got clothes that he ain't wear yet that he can fit into now. So yeah, I guess I'll probably see you guys at the laundry. That's where I'm going. So see you guys at the laundry. All right, guys, I'm actually here at the laundry. I already put my clothes in, so it's there spinning. Yeah, £1 for 5 minutes. £1 used to be for 10 minutes, but because everything basically just gone right up, they're charging a lot. £1 5 minutes. This lounge is actually next to the meat shop I normally come to. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. It's actually Friday night. If you guys are wondering, it's a Friday night, which is fish and chips. It's been a while since I bought fish and chips actually. So that's what we're getting. Look at the light here, Sean. Clear, isn't it? Hey, yeah. We look posh. Hey. Oh, I love this lighting. Yeah, so we're gonna get some good old fish and chips. Actually, I haven't had fish and chips. I haven't had fish and chips since we've been here, have I? Wow. Yay me. I ain't doing too bad. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get some fish and chips, and that's how we're gonna end our Friday. I mean, that's what I'll probably show you guys. If you want to see, I'll show you. So I'll see you guys after I get my fish and chips. All right. Me again. Tell me why I walking around looking like summer. It's actually cold out here. Like, it really is. They tell me to come back in 5 minutes. I've already ordered. So what is it? Oh, it's, yeah. And that's 2 fish and chips, curry sauce, and a mini slice. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Thank you. So I got it, y'all. I got it. Okay. Folks, I'm now at home. I'm about to go and have my fish and chips. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Okay. So this is what it looks like, and it's filled with salt and vinegar. Okay. I'm gonna tell them to put lots of salt and vinegar. I'm gonna go. Oh, I'm having it with this. Y'all ever had it? Pineapple and coconut. I'll let you guys know how it tastes. But I'm ending the vlog here for now. So tune into the next vlog, because we're going out tomorrow. I feel like I haven't been out in a long time. Yeah, giving y'all a bunch of house vlogs. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have a nice little day out. Going on a little trip. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go have my dinner, and I'll catch you guys definitely in the next vlog, so tune in for that. Thank you so much if you made it to the very end of the video, and have yourselves a very nice week ahead, or a fantastic weekend, depending on the day you're actually watching this video. All right, love you guys. Bye. I did say I'll let you guys know how it tasted, right? So it's only fair that I pick back up the camera, but I ended the vlog without telling y'all. So this is the pineapple and coconut, so I'll tell you guys now how it tastes. Oh, Sean, it's nice. Oh wow, you had it before?
No, I just choose it.
Oh, it's very nice. Wow, I like it. Highly recommend. I'm getting that next time. My pineapple gonna taste boring now, you know, right? My pineapple gonna be boring. All right, bye.